that behavior where someone will say, nah, because what is my problem? So is my chiba. What will I just, let me just do it. Okay, I've given my chi stuff, but what else? The alpha say in Mili, oh yeah, let's just go and give Ndim Mili their right. Okay, Shebi, we have done it all now, but so no more problem for me, but nobody's disturbing me again for life. That behavior is the same behavior as people who think that skincare is about all the different things that you can gum to your skin. When skincare starts from what you eat, so you can't eat all the crap in the world, all the chemicals in the world, right? And you now gonna still carry another bunch of chemicals again and plaster on your skin because your skin is block that you just plaster it and do screening and it will be sharp. Relationship with your spirit is not as trivial, as superficial as just throwing them some animals to eat. You know what I'm saying? And then you now be like, you've done your thing, but so me, I've settled these people. Why are they still disturbing me? Right? That the Igoo Mmuo is not a quick fix. It's not a place where you just come and feed people that are hungry. Who told you they are hungry?